Hey everybody, welcome to D-Lab Electronics. I got a box in the mail today. It's actually behind Polly. A fellow in Georgia named Bruce Fierro said he used to build amps. He spotted me on YouTube. He's out of the hobby, so he sent me a goodie box. And supposedly this is full of all kinds of great parts to build amps with. It's really cool because normally I don't get anything for Christmas. So this is a goodie box for D-Lab Electronics. I'm going to zero in. Let's open it up and see what's in it. Alright, let's pop open the parts box. See what we got inside. So he did tell me that there was a chassis. And there it is. Looks like it's pre-punched for maybe a little push-pull 6V6 amp. And then take a look there. I'm seeing a lot of tube sockets, packs of resistors from Mauser Electronics, capacitors from Mauser, so there's disc caps right on there. Tube shields and Microlex 9-pin sockets. Looks like we got all types of diodes here. There's a lot of stuff in this box, people. Some 8-pin sockets, including Microlex. Of course, those are my favorites. I see some Sprague orange drops and some Mallory 150 series. This is all top quality stuff. Got some pots here. They appear to be CTS pots. And we know what those things go for. Yeah, this is a Christmas gift, people. This will save me quite a bit of money on amp builds plus repairs. Got some terminal boards there. Sorry if these don't show up real good in video. But I'm just trying to give you an idea of the generosity. This guy's sending me this stuff. Here's some RCA jacks, IEC power connectors, some slide switches. Boy, I want to be able to replenish my part supplies. Some lamp assemblies there. Some type of a 2-pin AC plug, toggle switches. See a lot of resistors, some 1-watt styles, a lot of 1-watters in here. This is really cool. Some big electrolytics. They appear to be made by JJ. There's going to be a lot of stuff to go through. Thank you very much, Bruce. This is really cool of you, man. It's going to give me something to do over Christmas break, going through all these great parts, adding it to my inventory, because as we all know, parts are not cheap. So I really appreciate your generosity helping me out and keeping the shop going. It's going to be a lot of fun. Thanks again, Bruce.